bullying a horrible, traumatized, and the biggest nightmare for any individual, whether it is being bullied or bullies are getting troubles, and it can be a daunting effect for the life. So please stay away from bullying, stay away from bullies, and anybody who thinks bullying can be a better effect, please, it is a horrifying activity, and the person who suffers this and the person who is doing this both will be traumatized, and it will be a never ever forgetful memory for you, and it will ruin both of your life. So that's why stop bullying. It's a nuisance. Have a decent, peaceful human life. That is the request that we are doing here, and that is what the topic for today. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. This is Siddharth welcoming you all to the first episode of Sit Talk. Today, in this top episode, we are going to talk about a topic which is very much relevant in today's world and very much relevant, and every possible way organizations, institutions, everyone is taking action against this, and this is the most crucial thing to teach and to give to our kids, to our professionals who are working on working place should always understand this is not something that should be considered. We are talking about a topic called bullying and why it's a nuisance, why it is a bad effect, and it should be stopped. So in this particular episode, we are going to talk about 10 particular steps along with 2 bonus steps on understanding why this should not have effect and why this should be avoided. And anybody who comes in that somebody is being bullied or somebody is being bullying someone, you should take action whether it has affected you or not, because it affects the whole environment, it spoils the whole environment. So considering that, let's begin our today's episode with the first ever topic, which is bullying, or somebody or a victim of bullying can have a thought of suicidal. No matter, I am not promoting anything, but it can be a thought, because somebody who is being bullied can have a terrible effect in the minds. It rattles the entire chemical reactions of the brain, and it creates a nuisance. So anybody who is bullying somebody, please consider this is not something that you can do and it will go away with that person, and it will not affect you, it will affect you. Bullies or bullying somebody could be a legal consequences on you. Person who is bullying somebody is termed as bullies, and it can be a legal action against you. A person who has been bullied by you can go to the court of law and can put a defamation or can put a criminal conspiracy, because you are trying to ruin somebody's life. Be smart, act smart, but don't play smart on somebody else's life. This is what important. If you think you can play smart and you can get away from it, sorry, you cannot get away from that, boss, because there is people who are observing, there are people who are surrounded by you, they will file a complaint against you. And bullies set an example. A person who is trying to bully somebody else is setting the most horrific example for themselves. Couple of things that will come. You are showing what kind of background you have in terms of a family background you are coming from. You feel your somebody playing with somebody's life is a very, very helpful thing. That is not. That is not, and that should not be also. Because if you think bullying someone you will get out, no, because people around you are also monitoring, people around you are also understanding what kind of person you are, giving a impression that what kind of person you are and what you can do, and that particular thing can spoil everything. It can spoil your career, it can spoil the entire environment. So people will start disliking, people will start disconnecting from you, and you will be isolated. And a person in isolation cannot survive for a very long period of time, because it will start impacting their career. So far, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, no, I request you to please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from my channel. There are many more new shows which are coming, and Sit Talk will always have an episode, be it a small episode, be it a large episode. Sometimes Sit Talk will have a live streaming with some commenting points, because this was the first ever episode I recorded, but I realized there are sometimes there will be live streaming which will be like live and I will have so many thoughts to tell, because recording takes time and chopping up, but live streaming I can go ahead, I can keep speaking, and I can give you long story short topics that can be workable and that can be thoughtful and that can be like kind of cloud switch and all that. So keep checking, keep watching, and we'll have a lot many thoughts to go, and lot many points to come, and lot many topics to come and sit on. Until then, this is Siddharth signing off for now. You take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay immune-wise strong, and keep your environment safe, fun, and keep watching Sit Talk only on Siddharth World YouTube channel.